For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can sync your Outlook calendar to your Google Calendar. So first you want to go to your Outlook calendar, and as you can see, I have 2 events in my Outlook calendar. Then on the top right corner, just want to click on these settings, go to calendar, then click on shared calendars, and under publish a calendar, you just want to choose your calendar, select your permission, click on publish. Then you want to copy the link beside the ICS. Then you want to go to your Google Calendar. At the left sidebar, just click on Add Calendars. Click on From URL. Paste the link that you copied. Click on Add Calendar. Then you want to go back. And as you can see, the events from my Outlook calendar is now synced in my Google Calendar. That's it. Thanks for watching.